Welcome back everybody to TK Talk YouTube channel. This is episode 7 in our Python for Kids course, Loops Inside Lists. Before we begin, we would really appreciate it if you guys give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. Before we begin explaining this video, it is highly recommended to watch our previous videos about loops and lists. Watching those two videos will give you the required information on loops and lists, so this video will seem much easier to understand. Without any further ado, let's begin explaining this video. Loops inside lists may sound like a complicated subject, but it's actually not hard at all. First, we will need to create a list, use a for loop, a function underneath it, and lastly print it. Let me quickly remind you how to make a list. Go to Google Colab and make another line and write, then make another code line and write print fruits. Now run the code and it should show these in its exact order. As you can see, show the exact order. So loops inside lists are a combination of codes. First, let me make a list, and for this example, we will be using the color of apples. So write apple equal green, yellow, and red. Now make a new line. This part of the line will be a for loop code. So write for x in apple, and don't forget to write these two dots on top of each other. Now all we need to do is just print it. Print x. This is what a loop inside the list looks like. Now that was pretty short, and you might ask yourself, why did you make this video if it was going to be short? Well, this is important to learn because in future videos, we will be using loops inside lists, and we wouldn't want you guys to be confused when we use the function. In this video, we briefly learned how to code loops inside lists, and we showed you why it is important to learn about it from now. Thank you for watching TK Talk YouTube channel, and see you in the next episode.